Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
वेदांतान केल्ली SLP सुप्रीम कोर्टान बुधवारा कोर्टाच्या बोर्डार आसा. जस्टिस DY चंद्रचूड, इंदू मल्होत्रा आनी कीनथ जोसेफ हांच्या खंडपीठा मुखार ही केस सकाळी येता. गोंयच्या पंचायती कोर्टा मुखार मायनिंग बेल्टांतली परिस्थिती मांडपाक सोदतात. गोंय सरकाराची बाजू सॉलिसिटर जनरल तुषार मेहता मांडटलो. वेदांता खातीर सिनियर ॲडव्होकेट हरीश साळवे, गीता बाला परुळेकरा खातीर ॲडव्होकेट श्याम दिवाण जाल्यार गोंयच्या पंचायती खातीर विकास सिंग उबो रावतलो.
What we expect is that along with the SLP and writ petition of the private parties, we expect that the review petition of the government also be heard tomorrow along with that. That is our expectation. So we are hoping that it will be taken up tomorrow. It is possible that it may be argued tomorrow on merits also, depending on the situation. Like we would insist that our review should be heard along with this. So several factors are there. Everybody is keen to go ahead with the matter. We are also interested to argue the matter tomorrow. We are all prepared to argue the matter if the matter takes place.
गोंय सरकार मायनिंग कंपन्यो, मायनिंग डिपेंडंट आनी गोंयकारांची हे सुनावणेचेर नजर. प्रुडंटा खातीर मुकेश कुमार.